Okay, so I kind of already lied to you when I said this was a realistic afternoon routine because I just got gas, and normally I don't get gas because I don't need to get gas every day. Luckily, I mean, some people might need to get gas every day, but I am not one of those few people. Moving on, how is everybody today? What's up? Welcome back. Well, so today, as you read by the title, this is my after-school routine. You know, school ended at 2:45 and now it's 3:14, and you might be like, Susan, where are you? And where else would I be? The Target parking lot. Oh god, this is awkward. Do I know that person? Anyway, I'm in the Target parking lot. Today has not been my day. You know, nothing really bad has happened, but nothing really good has happened. Because what happened... I mean, I guess this is a good time for a vlog because I have lots of story time. So first thing today, I took AP Calculus online, which was an experience, but whatever. Today was my last day or assignment because today I took a 5-hour final for that class. So that was fun. And then I only had one period left of school. So, oh yeah, and then
I think I almost died like 3 times.
Between getting from school to the Target parking lot within like a span of 15 minutes. So that's my clickbait for today's video. I'm labeling it, I almost died 3 times. No clickbait. Anyway, I'll tell you about the first time I almost died. So I was walking through the school parking lot to get to the car, obviously, because how else would I be here and not at school anymore? So, you know, I was just walking, and, you know, I'm pretty responsible. Actually, I'm not pretty responsible. I am responsible, and I don't know. I don't look at my phone in parking lots because I'm not trying to, you know, get dead. So, you know, just walking along normally, I always look both ways when crossing, like, you know, rows and parking lots because, you know, don't want to get dead again. So, you know, I looked both ways and stuff, you know, just chilling. And then a person just floors it, and I don't know, hits like 35 while flying out of the parking lot and almost hit me, which would not have been a fun time. And that wouldn't, I don't really feel like spending Thanksgiving, you know, in a coma. Thank you, next. And then not even 2 minutes later, I was driving out of school and, you know, once again, just driving straight, having the right of way, and then someone turned straight into me, but luckily I saw them and floored it, so they wouldn't hit me. But the third time, you know, I was kind of being dramatic. Just somebody honked at me at a red light, and I'm like, bro, it's red. Do you want me to drive into oncoming traffic? That was fun. It's like, you know, what's that movie? Final Destination or whatever? I feel like that's what's been going on right now. It's been a journey. Anyway, there's my life update. Now, moving on to what I actually do after school. So sometimes I'll go to Target. Actually, that's not really true. Most of the time, I'll either go straight home or I'll like go through the Starbucks drive-thru on the way home. Anyway, Target today, I'm gonna just pick up some stuff for Thanksgiving, and it's gonna be very crowded because Thanksgiving's in like 4 days. Also, we're supposed to have a snow day tomorrow because we're apparently supposed to get 6 to 12 inches of snow, which I'm totally fine with because I don't want to go to school. Okay, Target time. Back from Target. Now I'm at home. Well, technically I'm not at home. I'm in the driveway, but that's still like on the property of the house, so I am home even though I'm not inside. I'm feeling that a little bit, but I'm also kind of feeling, pretend this was highlighting a different dwarf and it said happy or something like that. Or sleepy, you know. Isn't there one named like Sneezy? I don't know the names of the 7 dwarves. I did at one point. I was Snow White in some sort of play thing that I did when I was like 4. Okay, anyway, what I got at Target for Thanksgiving: lemons, flowers, pumpkin pie spice. It's not really that interesting. You're not interested. Yeah, basically just think of ingredients that would go into pumpkin cookies, and that's what I got. So, not interesting. Well, it's time to go inside. I think I'm gonna, what am I gonna do? Well, normally when I get home from school, I like watch TV for an hour. I don't know, some days I watch TV for a little bit, YouTube, chill for a bit. Other days I'll get started on my homework right away, but today, no idea yet. Let's just go in and see. Now I'm gonna go to Cycle Bar, actually not now, in 12 minutes, and you know, get some workout in, get my blood vessels moving. So normally after school I'll do some sort of workout. I try to like alternate it, so I'll do like Cycle Bar every other day and then do like some YouTube more like strength training workout the days that I don't do a bunch of cardio. So workout routine, that's that. So I'm just gonna get ready. Okay, but it's 4:21 and this is how dark my room is. I'm gonna turn off the bathroom light so you can see. Daylight savings time is so fun because it makes it look like it's 9 o'clock when it's like 4 o'clock. Aren't some like states like prohibiting daylight savings time? I feel like that's, I heard that somewhere, like California's like, we're not doing daylight savings time anymore. Anyway, let's kill 8 minutes before I have to leave. Let's make my bed. So I have 5 blankets on my bed because I like being warm, but at the same time, I don't like sleeping when it's super hot in the room. Like, I have to be sleeping and when the temperature in the room is like 67 degrees. But then at the same time, I like having a bunch of big, fluffy, comfortable, and soft blankets. So I just finished eating dinner. Didn't want to film that because, you know, not interesting. I mean, is any of this interesting? Probably not, but like, you know, dinner just, Anyway, showered.
Exercising was fun.
That better be the school calling and saying that there's a snow day. I hear the phone ringing, but I'm too lazy to go up and get it. If you live in like a cold weather place, you obviously know about snow day calculator, but if you don't know about snow day calculator, it does a pretty good job predicting whether or not your school is gonna have a snow day. It was invented by some like really smart kid or something like that apparently, and I don't know, it always is accurate. And it said today that for tomorrow we're gonna have a 99% chance of a snow day, so they better be calling a snow day because I'm not about to go to school. What if I check the school's Twitter page? The username and password you entered did not match our records. Okay, fine. Well, one of my friends just texted me and said, thank God. So I'm assuming that that means that there is a no school. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume that and say from now on that we have no school, even though I don't have direct confirmation. But anyhow, I still have some stuff to do because right now, like during this time, all the teachers are like, let's assign you guys with a bunch of stuff for final projects. So I'm taking a creative writing class right now and we have to write an 8 to 20 page short story. I am going to write. So it's like 10:30 now and I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. I actually remembered to end it this time. Wow, that doesn't happen very often.
But here we are.
But basically that was my routine for after school because, you know, after school for me goes from once school ends till once I get ready for bed. So now we're on to the night routine. That can be another video later. But thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.